Don't want to forget a key accessory anymore? We've all been there. Get yourself a small kit bag. So let me show you one of mine. So I have kit bags for different cameras because the connections for self-timers, the cable releases, they cannot be different. So I know which ones they are. And in this case here, it's a plethora of things that I don't always need, but when I need them, holy moly, do I need them. So this came out of the pain of arriving on scene, having rushed out, picked up the camera, and then realizing out at the end of a pier, miles from everywhere, that there was something I didn't have, cable release or a filter. So over the years, I've honed these down to the key things that if I have them in a bag and I've got my camera, then I'm ready to shoot. So let me show you what they are. Cable or remote release, absolutely vital, particularly for tripod-based work, slow photography, slow shutter speed photography. Spare battery, yes, absolutely. Again, we've all been there, haven't we? Battery has just run down as we've set everything up and we're all ready to shoot. A spare camera plate. I have built a habit now of keeping a camera plate at the bottom of my camera. It's always there, so I don't have to think about it. The less I think, the more I'm likely to have everything with me if it's all together. But this is a spare just in case. Lens pen. So the lens pen for cleaning the front of the lens. Gets the grime off, your fingerprints off. It's got a brush as well that I can just brush the dust off as well if I want. This is my neutral density filter. This is my polarizer, all designed for that particular lens or set of lenses that I'm going to be bringing. I made this many years ago. It's a loop that lets me put up against the back of the camera so that I can really go in and show good detail. I can just get a good idea. I find that when you enlarge the back of the lens, or in the LCD, you're not really seeing the thing. So this lets me just go in and hone in, and particularly in bright sunlight where it might be difficult to see that small detail. What I also have is a Band-Aid, you never know, a lens cleaning cloth, and it happened to me. Oh gosh, only recently it happened. So spare memory card as well. Some of my cameras don't have a level inside. So this spirit level here is designed to basically just go on to the hot shoe where a flash would normally go. And then I can use this to basically help me keep the camera steady. So don't always need it, but when I do, I do. And so I have that in my bag as well. Last few little things. I have zip ties. You maybe want to just keep that camera very steady on the tripod, lock the tripod and zip it to some sort of railings or something like that. And I have a ring which goes at the bottom of my tripod, and then I'll put my bag on that, and the compression that that puts on the tripod just gives me that little bit of extra stability. So a little bag like this just saves the day multiple times because I don't have to think about every little thing that I might want. It's always in that one bag, and I bring that one bag with me. So if you don't want to forget a key accessory anymore, just go get yourself a small kit bag. If you've any questions, just pop them in the comments.